So instead of thinking about paint colors within the context of homes and interiors and exteriors, we're going to take the power of color and leverage it onto some beautiful furniture. We picked up some pieces at a local thrift shop that needed a bit of revitalization, and what better way to do that than to have some beautiful Sherwin-Williams paint colors from their blues and greens color palette, and to take those colors and put them on these pieces. In fact, I have them right over here. In fact, the camera is actually sitting on them right now. Why don't I show you? Check this out. Something a little bit different for my Paint People viewers watching. Hopefully this will inspire you to take some pieces that maybe you have in your home or can get a hold of and just refresh them, change them up, all with the power of color. Let's get started. So obviously, you know, I love green. So this one, definitely want to make it green. Good old Canadian product, solid walnut, eh? And we got some free candlesticks too. That's amazing. I can't wait.
Now, I grew up with parents that really loved collecting French antiques. They would go to auctions. Painting a piece that is quite nice would be sacrilege to my mother. We found these pieces essentially at a thrift shop, and they were definitely in need of some revitalization. So if we had a need to resell these pieces, I'm quite sure we would be able to double or even triple our money. Just make sure that if you are planning to repaint an old piece, do some research on it. It could be more valuable than you might think. And once it's painted, it's really hard to get it to its natural state. I'm really excited to see these Sherwin-Williams colors in action.
Well, hello audience. We are back at the Paint Corps headquarters. We're gonna check out this furniture. And the colors we decided to go with are part of the Sherwin-Williams Blues and Greens collection for 2024, including their color of the year, which is called Upward. You got another piece that's in the color called Indigo, and then finally the big old furniture thingy we got, Billiard Green, which is one that was requested by one of you, so we decided to use it for this project, and I think it turned out really, really great. So let's go into the Paint Corps spray booths and see how they turned out.
I mean, what a difference. Now, of course, we could have done a lot more in terms of sheen level and faux finishes on top. Rade and I decided to have Billiard Green, Indigo, and Upward be proudly on display with these pieces.
We got these pieces of furniture, they're all old pieces. We got this credenza, or a hutch, whatever you want to call it. And we got this rack here, I guess umbrellas, shoes, towels, or something. And we got this side table. These are all Sherwin-Williams colors. What we did was we disassembled this piece, took all the hardware off, sanding, cleaning, 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of post-cat, water-based lacquer. There's a lot of value in this because, first of all, it's environmentally friendly. You're upcycling old things, you're giving them new life. We kept old hardware on this one, for instance. It made kind of sense for the piece. You can add new hardware. There's many things you can do with furniture. You can modify things.
I asked Rade about other finishes and other options you can do besides just a simple lacquer.
Yeah, you can play with this stuff. So, you know, you can put your base coat, which is this green. Now we can get like maybe like a black or a brown or an espresso glaze, a dry or wet glaze. We can distress areas, we can sand some areas down. You know, there's a lot of detail on this, so the glaze would get darker in all the corners and crevices. In this case, we kept it solid, but you could make it look more old world and antique-y.
We took some pieces that needed a lot of love, and now we've showcased them with brand new Sherwin-Williams 2024 Color Trends colors. And they look great, all within the blue and green sort of family, which is huge nowadays, immensely popular. Once you have all these three together, it really shows how well and how cohesive the palette is. Big thanks to Paint Corps. Rade is my guy, and I hope you enjoyed these furniture pieces. Let me know which one was your favorite down below, and we have more videos right over here.